The question is, in the structure of ClF3, the number of lone pairs of electron on central atom chlorine is. So the solution is, let me explain it to you. First of all, we will draw the structure of ClF3. For that, I need to do the electronic configuration of chlorine, that is neon 3s2 3p5. We have 7 valence electron on chlorine, out of which 3 will form bond with fluorine and 4 electron will be left alone, which will form a lone pair of 2. So our answer is 2 lone pair of electron would be there on chlorine atom, that is central atom. Option number 3 is the correct answer.